It is a long weekend, and you may be looking ahead to some summer celebrations as well. So we have LadyRen in the kitchen here this morning with us. Thanks for being here this morning.
Good morning. Thanks
You have
for
quite a
having me.
beautiful spread here.
Thank you. Thank you. Memorial Day, official start of summer.
That's right.
And of course, you got to eat.
Of course.
And, you know me, enjoy food, but it's got to be
a little healthy.
A little healthy. And this is how you can indulge in other areas. Your cocktail with a little alcohol, or
I love that. Look how patriotic.
Oh yes, red, white, and blue. So I thought this is a great way to up your outdoor barbecue skills a little different.
Okay.
And one of the things you can do is prepare a fruit and cheese board.
That is so cute.
And of course, you know, incorporate fruits, the blueberries, and some watermelon. And as you can see here, I've used the cookie cutter, and I cut out the stars, so you have
okay, that's how you did that.
Yeah.
Cute.
So you have your red, white, and blue.
I love that.
Yeah. And I've done the same with the cheese.
The cheese.
So you have all of these.
Little cheese star.
So you have your patriotic food.
So cute.
Yes. And some hummus will go nicely with some flour tortilla. So these can be your chips.
Okay.
So that's where you go. And here we have a turkey burger.
Oh.
So, but I call it my bunless burger.
Yes, it's just like a little shish kebab of a burger.
Yes, and this is how you make this. I have ground turkey.
Okay.
And in here, are you going to help me?
Yes, what should I do?
I've got Worcestershire sauce.
Should I pour that all over?
Pour that all in.
Okay.
You'll see how easy it is.
Okay.
And this is some fresh chopped parsley.
Sure.
And then, of course, what's this?
Oh, LadyRen.
Okay.
Special
We don't
spices.
measure. Right.
Oh, no, just a dash, right?
No, more than a dash.
Oh, more than a
So
dash.
now once you've got that, you're good.
I'm good?
Yes.
Mix it
You
up?
would mix this up.
Okay.
Okay. And then once you get this all mixed up, this is how you'll just scoop.
Okay.
You'll preheat your oven to 400 degrees because we're baking this. See?
Okay.
And you're good there. So then you can scoop.
That's good enough?
Yep. What
Okay.
you'll be doing now is scoop this up.
I'll let Bekha scoop.
Okay.
She seems like a big
I was
scooper.
supervising. But
Yeah. You seem like you're a
you're
big
going to be
scooper.
coming and finishing up. So you can
Yes,
just scoop
okay.
one there, and then this is what happens. Right. See? And you would roll it, flatten a little
Yes,
bit,
and then it
pop it into
turns
the
into
oven.
that.
So 25 minutes later, it will turn into the turkey ball.
Okay.
Once it comes out of the oven, here's what you do. You can see I have the cheese. This is cheese.
Okay.
So you would put it on the hot cooked turkey ball.
Okay.
So it would
So you wait
melt.
till it's cooked and then you put it
Then
on.
you put it on, and then you would put it so that the cheese would melt a little, like your burger.
Nice.
And then this is what you do next. I had one for you and one for Bekha.
Okay.
So
Cute.
Bekha can probably come on this side, Paul, and you'll see what I'm doing here.
Okay.
So this is guacamole, homemade, of course.
Yum.
And I would take this.
Put it on top of the little star.
Put it on top of the little
yeah.
star. It's okay there, right? You'll put it on top of the little star. Of course, on TV, everything does the opposite.
And then you put this on top?
Yeah,
Still
and
delicious.
correct. You would put it on top, and this is.
Cute.
But
That is
here,
so cute.
that's yours to put.
Right?
But what I wanted to show you is when you are going to do this part, you want to put it through the lettuce.
Okay.
Then the tomato. And the reason why, then you put it on your turkey ball, the burger
Okay.
bites. Because if you put this and try to, it will smush everything
Okay, we don't want
out.
that.
You don't want it. And then you would have these pretty turkey
Right.
burger bites.
So can I try it?
Yes.
Okay.
Fully cooked.
wanna
And that, yes.
Try to gracefully
This
do
is like a bunless burger. It's
It
got all
is.
the toppings on it.
Yum.
Yes, and all your toppings. And the other good thing is, you know how you're, excuse me, seasoning up your meat. You know
Right.
what you're putting in there. And again, lean ground turkey.
Right.
And delicious.
That is so good.
And
But
very
still
light,
festive.
very festive. And then here's a fun part. We gotta have
Cocktail
a
time.
cocktail
Of
time.
course, of
Yeah.
course.
So, well, I know we're on TV, so we really can, have the alcoholic cocktail. So we're gonna do a mocktail.
Okay.
And again, we've got Gatorade,
Okay.
cran apple juice, and I've got some Sprite.
Cute.
So one of the things about when you're doing a layered drink is
Okay.
you always put the liquid with the soda or the juice with a high sugar content
Okay.
at the bottom.
Because it will kind of sink.
It stays there. And then
Okay.
you layer it according to the sugar content. So you would
Okay.
fill your glass real tall with the ice. And we're going to go with the cranberry first. So I'll let you pour some. You're going
Okay.
to do the red. And then Bekha can... Yep. So you go about...
Yeah, I love the way that turned out. It's so pretty.
Yep. So don't go all the way to the top about good.
Is that good?
Good, some more. Stop. And then
Okay.
Bekha, you want to do the white.
Yeah, sure. So I just pour this over.
So what you would do now, you want this to touch the ice.
Oh.
That's what
okay.
keeps it from blending and
Okay,
mixing.
interesting. I've
So-
always wondered that when you see these drinks that have these
Yeah.
pretty colors, is
Right.
how you keep it
You
at those
mixing.
levels.
Yeah.
So if you can pour it on the ice
Okay.
cube, don't worry if it gets mixed up. The other thing is you can take a spoon and flip it over and gently pour it down into there.
Oh.
So you see that we've got there now. Yep.
Do you pour all?
Well, as you're mixing, and then
Okay.
finally you'll do your blue.
Then you add the blue.
Okay.
All right.
Slowly
let's-
on the ice. Very, see?
Oh. A little bit of mixing.
Cute.
That would
That's
be my
okay.
fault.
No. And your garnish.
How festive.
Strawberry.
So cute.
Pineapple, blueberry.
Love that. How cute is that?
And you can have this with or
Cheers.
without alcohol.
That's
Thank you.
right.
Cheers.
Should we try it?
Try it.
All right.
Yes.
Yum.
That is so refreshing, especially
yes,
on a hot
that is
day like
refreshing.
it's
And you
today.
have
You
your-
put me in the pool on a raft with
Yes.
that cocktail, and then just a little bite, a little
And then
burger
your
bite.
little burger
I can
bite.
take this on the raft with you.
Yeah, why not? Sure. Just
No rules.
float away.
Exactly.
Float
No
away.
worries.
No worries. That's what life is about, right?
Exactly.
Eat and enjoy, and that's what I say. You can enjoy food. Healthy is a lifestyle. It's not a diet. No
Yes.
restrictions.
And this was easy to
very,
make.
very
simple.
easy. You can even prepare your meatballs, the turkey bites ahead of time, like let's say tonight.
Okay.
And then put it in the oven tomorrow. So you would prep it and refrigerate it, and then tomorrow you just bring it to
Easy enough.
to bake it. Easy enough, and then
Lovely.
enjoy and have a good time and pile up on desserts.
I
Good
love it.
desserts.
Well, thank you so much for being
Thank
here. And I know
you.
we have some information about your online cooking classes
Yes.
on the screen right now. And people can always contact you. Give us the website again.
LadyRens.com.
Great.
Yes, where I'll teach you how to make things like
Yes,
this.
so fun. Well, thank you so much for being here.
Happy
and
Memorial
Bekha,
Day.
I think
Bekha.
you're going to bring us a little bit of the weather now.
Yeah,